Reed maintenance. Essential tips for woodwind players. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of music, specifically focusing on reed maintenance for woodwind instruments. Understanding this will not only enrich your vocabulary but also give you insight into the meticulous care musicians put into their instruments. A reed is a thin strip of material that vibrates to produce sound in woodwind instruments like the clarinet, saxophone, and oboe. These reeds are crucial for sound production but are delicate and require proper maintenance. Without a well-maintained reed, the quality of the music can significantly diminish. Maintaining your reed is essential. A well-maintained reed produces a better sound. Ensuring the reed is in good condition is key to a beautiful tone. Lasts longer. Proper care can extend the life of your reed, saving money and time. Prevents hygiene issues. Regular cleaning avoids the buildup of harmful bacteria. 1. Soaking. Before playing, soak your reed in water for a few minutes. This makes it flexible and ready to produce the right sound. 2. Cleaning. After playing, clean the reed gently with water. This removes saliva and other residues. 3. Drying. Allow the reed to air dry completely before storing it. This prevents warping and mold growth. 4. Storage. Keep your reed in a proper case that protects it from physical damage and maintains a stable humidity level. 5. Rotation. Rotate between a few reeds to ensure they all dry properly and extend their life. Reeds are not meant to last forever. Know when to replace your reed. Frequent squeaking or poor sound quality. Visible cracks, chips, or warps. When it feels too soft or unresponsive during play. Reed maintenance might seem intricate, but it's a vital part of playing any woodwind instrument. By taking proper care of your reeds, you ensure the best possible sound and a more enjoyable playing experience. We hope this video has been insightful and adds a harmonious note to your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.